Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I really thought replacing the analog pressure sensor would work, but it did not. So the washer journey continues. This will be the third video. I think after this one, if it doesn't work, I might end up just getting a new one because the new computers are like $200 to $300. But let's do some research to see if we could take apart this computer and try to fix it. Okay, we're gonna follow Jared's video here, and according to him, the capacitors might have gone bad. I'm gonna place an order for $8. Let's go ahead and take apart our washer computer and make sure it looks like that. That was pretty easy so far. The sides here connected over here, top ones here went up here with these little clips that a flathead will help remove. I also took photos, making sure I know how to connect everything back. There's 4 of these that matches with these 4 here. Let's bring this inside and get this plastic cover off. That wasn't too bad. I just wanted to be careful with these plastic tabs on the side and make sure I didn't break them. According to Jared, these 2 are the capacitors we need to replace. He was saying a bad capacitor, the top here bulges out a little bit, 1 to 2 millimeters. I could barely see it. It's a little more noticeable on these 2. So I'm assuming this one is good because it looks nice and flat. And then this one that we need to replace, the top sticks out just a little bit. I can't wait for our capacitors to get here. I just uploaded the video on how to desolder and solder capacitors onto circuit boards. Here's the old ones I pulled off, a couple of new ones for comparison. Came in a pack of 20. Let's clean this up a little bit and get the plastic cover back on there. The plastic was a lot easier to clip in than remove. Let's bring it back into the garage and hopefully this works. I don't really know what to do if this doesn't work. Let's hook everything back in. I got the computer plugged back in, and luckily, a little surprisingly, everything turned on okay. I ran Diagnostics at drain spin, went down to no spin, pressed this 4 or 5 times, started it. Normally it would be stuck at C00, but it went to C01. Not sure what that means, but gonna let it hang out for a minute. I knew that would be too easy, but at least we're getting an F20 instead of an F35, and according to the manual, it is a insufficient water. So I'm gonna unplug the hot and cold just to check and make sure none of those are plugged up. I guess the next video we'll be making is an F20 and how to fix that. Maybe looking at water meter, water inlet. But for now, Sud's F35 complete. Computer is good. New analog pressure is good. Video 225 done.